Chicken wild rice soup. Chicken. Kain tayo. Go straight, Daddy. It's been a while. It's been a while, crocodile. It's been a while. What's for order? Seafood, appetizer, whites, reds, beers, no. Soup, Vietnamese soup. Bakit nag-blurry ito? So what's your order, Daddy?
And to order the special beef noodle soup.
Oh, so you want soup today? That's good. Where is it here?
Authentic Vietnamese soup.
Oh. Pan fried rice. For me, I will take over rice noodles, egg rolls. I'm just gonna get the ano to? Beef salad maybe. I don't know, chicken wings. Hello. Been a while. Huh? It's hard to choose. It's hard to decide. So what you decided?
You have to decide.
Oh, me. I decided. Oh, Adam, iso na ba ajay? I'll get chicken wings, hot and spicy chicken wings.
Okay, chicken.
I don't know, that's what I feel to eat. I don't feel like eating any other. Oh, that's arak or beer or something. Hindi ako. Pan fried noodles, skewers. I don't know. Mahal naman. Ewan ko. Si Daddy gusto niya kasi. Ah?
Sika mo lang yung baga dito.
What did you order, Daddy?
Wow.
Oh, it's pho. Pho. Special pho. Walang tao, kami lang. Special.
Baka awa na ko ng COVID.
Daddy has to protect himself. We have to wait for our lemon slices. Awesome. I like this one. Oh.
Para sa unot kita. Para sa upat pa siya. So nagpaspas na bugas. Pinayusan ng ganun.
Look at that one on the wall. I love it. Yung mata ni Daddy. There's the one on the wall. I love it. I love it. And I wanna get the other one. Look at that. It's beautiful. Oh, wish I have one of that. That's for your stuff. Kamayan. Yan. Daddy. Want some? I made some at home. Now we eat here. Let's go. Mine is just this. Oh my. Now we have to put a lot of sili. Singkamas ka na dede. Bean sprout. Bean sprout, right? What else you got? That meatball? Yan yung nawawala ako ng gana kapag may meatball. Hindi, it's okay. May sausage. Ganyan, hindi ko alam bakit. Iwan ko yung panlasa ko. Nawawala ako ng gana. Mas maigin na lang yung itong mga to kaysa yung meatball. Sure. Pero kakaiba kasi yung beef nila. Hindi ko alam bakit. Ay, baot. Ay, sorry. May sili. Yeah, I never seen them done that before. I guess it's because of COVID. May take out pa si daddy, oh. I have to cut our dinner because our son is ready to be picked up. Oh, okay. I forgot. Never mind. Yeah. I like this. How come I don't see this? Because I'm driving. I just noticed this just now.
What you like?
That one, the light. This. I always drive in here, and I didn't notice this. Meron tayong unboxing na dumating. Let's see what it is. Ooh, ito pala yung dumating, yung sound card. Webcast sound card. Alright, let's see. Mm. I don't really know the sound card or anything like this, but this is what I got. Computer, cell phone, universal sound card. Here it is. Baliktad. Ang pala yan. Malay ko kung ano ang mga to. We have to one. Laugh, clap. Ay, ay, ay. Chicken wild rice soup. Chicken. Kain tayo.